Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make text Wavy in Canva. After a design page is created, next we can go to apps and then we can search Canva apps. I type curve and then search type curve and then click on the type curve icon and then click open to use it. Next we can use type curve here and then we can go to path and click CO to choose a path that we want to use. For example, I make it wavy, I choose it. And next we can type the text. For example, I type make text wavy. And I delete this text and go down to bottom. We can choose the style. We can choose the fonts here. And I will use enter. And next we can change the text color, we can add stroke, and also we can change font size. And also we can change font weights. And we can adjust the letter spacing. If we happy with this, we can add to design. So we can adjust the size. So this is how we can make text wavy in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.